Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating power and basic hardware faults. First, plug a known good cable and a 1 or higher adapter. If nothing happens, try a different outlet. Once done, remove SIM and memory card and look for debris or corrosion. Gently clean with a dry brush. If the display is blank, force restart using the manufacturer button combination for 10 to 15 seconds to recover from software freezes. These steps narrow down whether the phone needs software recovery versus physical repair. You now target the operating system. Boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app causes crashes. If stable, uninstall recent apps. Next, backup contacts, photos, and messages to cloud or PC. You must protect data before destructive steps. Then access recovery to wipe cache partition to resolve performance bugs. If problems persist, perform a factory reset or reinstall official firmware using manufacturer tools. This cleans corrupted system files and often restores full function when software is the culprit. You finish by verifying remaining hardware. Run built-in diagnostics or diagnostic apps to check battery health, touchscreen responsiveness, camera function, and speaker output. Open the back if the model allows and verify connectors sit flush. If a component fails, replace the battery, screen, or connector using OEM parts to avoid compatibility issues. Once reassembled, confirm software is updated and stable. If the phone still malfunctions, document symptoms, include photos, and present this to a professional service for targeted repair and.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.